Hello guys, today I would like to talk about one tip that there is inside the Civil 3D that we use to turn less heavy our database. So what can we do? Uh, to lift the size of this database, we can draw one sample profile around of our area of interest. For example, in this situation, we can consider, for instance, some existing elements from topography, such as trees and others, and also the existing drainage. So in this procedure, we use one tool, specific tool inside the GIS mode that called Mapclean. So I can type here Mapclean, and we can select all of the elements involved in my study. So I can intercept these polylines in this crossing that you are looking now. So through this polyline, all of these elements will interrupt. Okay, so now again I will type Mapclean, and I will select this element, and so I already have the basic design. Okay, so now what could we do? You have here just the polylines that I need to carry to another drawing. So I will do this now. I'll select all of these elements. You can use select option, using also the CP, that means closest polyline, to select better these around this area. And I will do this now. Select here in each vertex, and I will press enter. Just a little bit again, and use the copy, and you paste. Now I will up the tab in a Civil 3D and create a new drawing based on one template match system, as I mentioned before, and click open, and you paste in original coordinates. Home tab, use paste to original coordinate, and to better look at, use the zoom extents or zoom in to focus in their area, to create now a surface existing ground. From existing ground, create surface. I will maintain the same settings, and press OK, and you open the hierarchy of this one, and select add, and press OK again. You see that missing just some area here, but it's not a problem, just a test, just to show you the tip. And you press enter, and after, what do you do here? If you bring the polyline, whole polyline shown here, you can use there in another drawing, you know. Right, so I paste also here. I will join all of the elements broken because I need all of these elements, so I isolate, so opposite. I isolate just I will put in a invisible style, the surface, and invisible style. And hide these layers, they freeze, because in this condition I can use the page it command edit multiple, select, use the join just to define the boundary for this surface, and look at that. You can use the boundary to limit this area, and again I will appear my surface. I'm showing to you my surface. And what could you do now? You can use the data shortcut. That means it works much like XREF from CAD, just to use as a external reference. All right, so if you define one electronic address here, let's see, I am already done some parts of this project, and if you observe, you can see that the small size of those files to gain performance in our machine. So into here you can see just almost 4 megabytes, and for surface south in another area that I have inside my project, almost more or less 5 megabytes. You're reducing for each phase of the size file for your database. That's idea. Okay, so for example, I will put in this electron address using a surface east, and now I can associate it, the two folders. Okay, and before I can save the file in jar file, I will put in a workspace, and I create a data shortcut. Just how is very interesting. Not a problem. So that's idea that I tried to bring you to explain the functionalities, the possibilities of functionalities that we have to get this performance, and I hope that it help you in a daily job, and have a great day. Thanks.